Hello friends, next level game of market. This is our YouTube channel and here we have started basic of stock market series and this is a second video of this series. Here we are going to discuss today about how to start investing or trading journey and where to start. For that purpose, first we have to open a demat and trading account, and for that we have to some documents for account opening, that is demat and trading account, that is PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account and photo and signature. These document we needed for our demat account opening. For that purpose, which we can search these stockbrokers through these SEBI registered stockbrokers, and this is very important that we have to go through the SEBI registered stockbrokers, and to know the SEBI registered stockbrokers we have to go to the Google, and where we can search SEBI registered stockbrokers in India, and after that run, and after that we will go to the website, that is SEBI's website, where we can find all SEBI registered stockbrokers in India, where this is list of the SEBI registered stockbrokers. We can find A to Z list, and here is a list. We can go through this website and we can find our favorite or good stockbrokers for us, and generally for the account opening purpose all brokers charge 300 rupees to 500 rupees for account opening, and their brokerage plans are 0 rupees for delivery and 20 rupees per trade for intraday, where we can find these brokers, and these brokers are SEBI registered stockbrokers. All these brokers we can find here at SEBI registered brokers. And how can we find these brokers? Go to Google, search SEBI registered stockbrokers in India. After that, go to the SEBI website, and here we come to the website, and here in this list we can choose any brokers for our journey, and for that purpose I personally prefers these four brokers, that is Upstocks, LS Blue, Zerodha and 5paisa. These four exchanges are SEBI registered, and here we can find the website of the Upstocks, second website of the broker LS Blue, and this website also for the demat account and trading. Third is Zerodha. Fourth is the 5paisa. These four exchanges brokers are SEBI registered stockbrokers, through which we can start our investment journey. First of all, we have to go to the link, which is the link for the account opening, which is I am giving in the description below. You can go through the link and you can follow the steps for account opening, and you can open your account. After that, you can able to invest your money in stock market, that is Indian stock market, and where you are able to go through a video, and you can get information about the stocks and currency, commodity, and through that you can get a profit. And this is a only educational purpose video where we are discussing about the stock brokers in India, and you can choose any broker which you like most and go through the website of these brokers and choose your favorite or which is suitable for you for the trading and investment purpose. Here we have started our basic of stock market series. This is second video. It is regarding how to start, and with this series we are going to start market update series. For that purpose, you can like, share and subscribe our channel to get more notified and be connected with us, and you can also help us to grow our channel through like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can get the more and more informative videos from us. This is our basic stock market series video second. Thank you.